Former Commission on Elections Chair Sixto Brillantes Jr. has passed away. He died on August 11, 3 days before his 81st birthday. His former Comelec Chief of Staff, Attorney Emil Marañon, also confirmed the sad news. Last July, Marañon revealed Brillantes tested positive for COVID-19. Brillantes' daughter, Zina, asked for prayers in a Facebook post. Brillantes served as Comelec Chair from January 2011 to February 2015. According to the Comelec statement, he was personally selected by then President Noynoy Aquino to lead the poll body.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.